Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from statistics. The question is the median of the following data is 50. Find the values of P and Q in the table if the sum of all the frequencies is 90. Okay. Here first let us take the table for the median. To find the median, first we have to prepare a table. Okay. That is first is class intervals, frequency, right? Class intervals, frequency, and okay, let us complete this. 20 to 30p, 30 to 40, 15, 40 to 50, 25, 50 to 60, 20, 60 to 70, q, 70 to 80, 8, 80 to 90, 10. Okay, and from the question what we know, median is given. Median is equals to 50, and the sum of frequencies, that is summation fi, is equals to 90 is given, right? So here if you take summation of fi, what you will get? 20, 15 plus 25, 40, 60, 68, 78 equals to 78 plus p plus q. Because these two are variables, we can't add directly to the numbers, so we added separately those variables. So we have to now we have to find the values of p and q from the given data. Actually, what is the median formula? Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus capital F by small f plus h, right? If you come, if you see the what are the data which is necessary for this is L equal to lower limit of median class, lower limit of median class, capital N equals to sum of frequencies, capital F equal to what? Um, Frequency above the median class, and small f is frequency of median class, and next h is height of the class or length of the class. So for this, to find median, again one more thing what we have to find is cumulative frequency. This is cumulative. So first will comes the same, then second, from the second term what we have to do, we have to add the first cumulative frequency with the normal frequency, that is p plus 15. Now the third one with the second cumulative frequency. So 15, 25, 40, 40 plus p, 40 plus 20, 60 plus p. Here one more variable we got, 60 plus p plus q, 60 plus 8, 68 plus p plus q, and at last what we will get? 78 plus p plus q. Okay, now coming to finding the median class. Actually, how we can take the median class? How we can take the median class? From the total number of classes or frequencies, we have to take the middle one. Here what you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 7, see if we have how many frequencies, that how we will get is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 plus 1 by 2 you take, that is 8 by 2, which is equals to 4, right? So the fourth one is the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the middle one. So anytime if the number of frequencies we got more even number, we will get 2 median classes, so that we can divide them by 2 and we can take the based on the class interval height. But here we got odd number of frequencies. So odd number of frequencies, what we will do? We add the number of frequencies plus 1, and then by 2, whatever the number you will get, that will be the middle number. Median class. So here Here what we got? Median class. Median class is 50 to 60 and the frequency is 20 and the cumulative frequency is 60 plus p, right? This is the median class data. Now substitute the values which are necessary for the formula. So from this what we can take? Lower limit is 50 and the capital N is equals to given what ma? What is the total sum of all frequencies? 90. So N equals to 90. Capital F is the cumulative frequency which is above the median class cumulative frequency, that is 40 plus P. And next small f is normal frequency of the median class, small f is 20, height h is equals to 10. Now substitute these all values in the median formula. Median is given what ma? Median is given 50. So 50 is equals to L is 50 plus N is 90 by 2 minus capital F is 40 minus 40 plus P by small f 20 into 10. Understood? So 50 equal to 50 plus 90 by 2 is 45 minus 40 minus P by 20 into 10, which implies 50 equal to 50 plus 45 minus 40 is 5. So 5 minus P by 20 into 10. 10 in 20 2 times and 50 plus 5 minus P by 2 is equals to 50, which implies 50 50 cancel, you can do 5 minus let us do it. 50 plus 5 minus P by 2 equal to 50. So what you will get? 100 plus 5 minus P by 2 equal to 50, which implies 100 plus 5 minus P equals to 100. Both get cancelled. 5 minus P equal to 0. Therefore P equals to 5. Right? We got the value of P. So how to find the value of Q? We are having here 78 plus P plus Q is equals to what? The total is 90. Right? Now substitute the value in this. P value. 78 plus 5 plus Q equal to 90, which implies 78 plus 5. 78 plus 5 what you will get ma? 83, right? 83 plus Q equal to 90, which implies Q equal to 90 minus 83, which is equals to 7. Therefore P equals to 5, Q equals to 7. Understood? These are the values of the mixed frequencies of the median table given in the question. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.